Good morning, dear children. We are going to start our today's session with the page number 116. Okay. Here the question is collect different types of stamps and paste them below. You can visit the post office if it is nearby. If it is not, then don't worry about it. You can find on internet. You can sketch or you can just take a printout and cut and paste it over here. Okay. Here recognize the things which we find in post office and write their names. So please write your own and then check it. Okay. Here write your full address on postcard given below. Here one postcard picture is given. Here you have to write your address, here the pin code, and the last line over here your village name. Okay, with district and taluka. Fine. Think and write. Shamira's later reached Baroda by train. How do you think letters read distance places when there were no trains? Okay. Means we have to think then when there were no trains, what do you think the letters are reaching? How? Okay. So we are well known about that. I sent you so many videos to show you that previously people are sending their messages or letter through the people, pigeons and horses. Okay. Can we send message abroad by writing a postcard? Okay, means we can send but not with this postcard. We have to buy another kind of postcard, like international postcard that can be reached in foreign countries. Okay, what other works takes place in a post office? So in post office they are not only receiving and sending the messages or receiving the parcels only, but even they are doing life insurance, then some mail services, even passport forms. They are doing so many, they are providing so many facilities to us. If you can, like if you want to know something more and if you are interested, you can visit the nearby post office. Nowadays we people are not using so many facilities that is provided by post office, but then also it is necessary to know. Okay, here what Reena and Radha are talking to each other about later. Do you know? Today we learnt about the journey of a letter in the class. I want to write a letter to Nani. You can write a letter. I'm going to make a phone call. If you want, you can also come along. Okay. Reena and Radha are talking. Reena told as she learned today about the letter journey of letter. So she wants to write the letter to her Nani, but Radha says she is going to make phone call. Reena and Radha went out to make a phone call from a shop in the village. Radha dialed the phone number and both of them talked to Nani. They gave money to shopkeeper and returned home happily. Okay. Where you have seen a telephone or a mobile? Mostly we all are using mobiles, right? Telephone now we are not using, but then also we have seen in offices, houses, schools, colleges, telephone booths. Just now Reena and Radha have called to their nanny. That is from telephone booth, right? With whom do you talk on telephone or mobile? Usually we talk with friends and relatives, but um, at a certain time when we are needed someone to respond us instantly, then we are calling to others also, right? Which of the two do you like more, writing a letter or making a phone call? Why? uh, See, if it's me, I love to do phone call. Why? Because we can get instant response, right? And we can hear their views. uh, while by writing a postcard we will have to wait for the response, it will take so much time. But this phone call is called directly, like communication, direct communication, and we can get instant replies and messages. If it's very urgent, then it will be more useful, right? Okay. Draw and color. Telephones or mobiles are different types. Draw pictures of telephones or mobile you have seen. So you have to draw over here and make it colorful. Okay. This is the nice one. Make your own telephone. I'll send you video afterwards to show you how to make. And this is think and write, telephone and letter. So what are the similarities between telephone and letter, and what are the differences, that you have to write your own, and afterwards I will give you the answers. Okay, fine. Here the next chapter is chapter 18, games we play. I want you all draw a beautiful picture about this, the game we play inside just now due to COVID-19. Okay, all the best.